According to Twitter leaker Unknowns21, a redesign of the iPhone 15 Pro's cameras may be necessary to accommodate one of the iPhone's largest new features. They claim that Apple is shifting the location of the ultra-wide cameras on the back of the iPhone 15, which hasn't changed since the debut of the triple-camera iPhone 11 Pro in 2019. The alteration to the iPhone 15 is being made to accommodate the larger periscope telephoto camera lens. On the iPhone 15 Pro Max variant, added render artist Ian Zelbo, who appears to also be in the know. The ultra-wide camera is placed to the side snuggled between the LiDAR sensor and flash on the current iPhone 14 Pro model, while the telephoto camera is positioned right above the primary camera. Although sources claim that the telephoto camera on the Pro model won't be swapped out, rumors suggest that Apple's upcoming iPhone 15 Pro will shake things up by moving the ultra-wide and telephoto cameras. For the iPhone 13 series, Apple made a significant camera placement change by adopting a diagonal rear camera placement for the base models, and switching to a vertical rear camera placement for the higher-end models. It remains to be seen how customers will respond to the upcoming camera positioning changes on the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models. For most users, this switcheroo would probably not be noticeable moving from an old Pro iPhone to the iPhone 15 Pro. This was the last time Apple made such a change to its camera placement, and it was met with much fanfare from tech enthusiasts and Apple fans alike. However, there are two potential advantages to this change that I can think of. The first is the capacity to accommodate a larger camera, as Unknowns21 and Zelbo mentioned, and the second is macro photography. In a recent comparison of macro photos taken with the iPhone 14 Pro Max and Galaxy S23 Ultra, I found that the position of the iPhone 14 Pro's ultra-wide camera can result in unintentional shadowing on images, as the top edge of the phone casts a shadow when moved closer to the subject. However, this issue may be remedied with the rumored relocation of the ultra-wide camera to the phone's edge on the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro models. Only time will tell if this adjustment will improve the new iPhone model's ability to take macro photos. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.